Welcome to today's video where we'll delve into a common problem that can arise when working with ranges and views in C++. The problem we'll be discussing involves transforming a view of characters from an input stream using the standard library. Now, let's talk about the solution to this issue. The reason the iterator type from the transform view doesn't have a value underscore type member is because the transform underscore views iterator is missing its iterator underscore category member. This happens when the transform underscore view is applied to an underlying range that is not a forward underscore range. In summary, we've explored a problem that can occur when transforming a view of characters from an input stream in C++, and we've identified the root cause of the issue. By understanding why the iterator type lacks a value underscore type member, we can better navigate similar challenges in our own coding endeavors. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts or any programming jugs you might have.